and Jarasandha. Jarasandha was a very powerful demon. He defeated many kings and made promise their allegiance to him. Making him the supreme emperor, he had given both his daughters in marriage to King Kansa of Mathura. After Lord Krishna had killed Kansa, his two wives went back to their father Jarasandha and lied, "Father, Krishna killed Kansa by unfair means, and we will not be satisfied until the death of our husband is avenged." So, Jarasandha vowed to destroy Krishna to avenge his son-in-law's death. He raised a huge army of demons from all over the world to help him conquer Mathura. Jarasandha decided to teach Krishna and his clan Yadavas a lesson. Since Yadavas lived in and around Mathura, he decided to battle with them and destroy the race forever. Jarasandha then repeatedly attacked Mathura, and each time he caused massive death and destruction. But Krishna and Balram killed everyone except Jarasandha. Jarasandha's aim. Jarasandha attacked Mathura 17 times with his demon army. Lord Krishna killed his entire army every time but avoided killing Jarasandha. Lord Krishna said, "Jarasandha is such an influential demon that he is bringing demons right to Mathura instead of me having to travel all over the world to kill them." The 17 attacks that Jarasandha led on Mathura had drained the energy of the Yadavas and stunted the growth of the city. The economy had come down and the wars had emptied the treasury. One day, Krishna received disturbing news that Jarasandha had forged an alliance with several other kings to destroy the Yadava clan forever. Balram said, "Krishna, Jarasandha is a powerful enemy with a huge army, and the Yadavas have barely managed to withstand his attacks with even the likes of you and me on their side." Jarasandha's alliance had only one aim: destroy Mathura and the Yadava clan. Jarasandha's army. Jarasandha had entered into an armed alliance with Emperor Damghosha of Chedi, Dantavakra of Karusa, Rukmi of Vidarbha, and brothers Vind and Anuvinda of Avanti. When the alliance began its march towards Mathura, the Yadavas were helpless. The alliance decided to attack Mathura from several fronts simultaneously. Jarasandha then sent a message to the Yadavas: "Your clan would be spared if you handed over the heads of Krishna and Balram to me." The Yadavas refused and readied themselves for a war. Lord Krishna was the only person who repeatedly cautioned his clansmen against the war. He then hit upon the idea of shifting the capital from Mathura to Dwarka. Krishna placed the suggestion before his grandfather, King Ugrasena. He said, "Krishna, if you run away from the battlefield, you will forever be known as a ranchhor, or the one who has run away from a battlefield." Lord Krishna smiled at this. Krishna's suggestion. Lord Krishna did not worry about being called a ranchhor. He said to his grandfather, "I already have many names, and one more does not make any difference. I am willing to sacrifice my reputation for saving my people and their lives." But Balram wanted to fight Jarasandha. Lord Krishna gently reminded him, "War is not the way to solve all the problems. The confederacy of kings against Mathura is so great that it could lead to the death of countless people." He added, "Why should my people suffer because of me? The best solution would be to leave the city and go to a new place where it would be difficult for Jarasandha to attack us." He reminded Balram that Jarasandha had already attacked Mathura 17 times, and he would not rest till he succeeded in his mission of finishing the Yadava clan. Everyone reluctantly accepted Lord Krishna's suggestion. The city of Dwarka. King Ugrasena wondered how a new city could be built in such a short span of time. When the citizens of Mathura were sleeping, Lord Krishna called for Vishwakarma, the architect of the demigods, and told him to build the beautiful city of Dwarka within the sea. The architect showed Krishna and King Ugrasena the plan for the new city, saying, "My lord, the city will be built only if Samudra Deva, the god of the sea, gives us some land." Thus Lord Krishna worshipped Samudra Deva, who was pleased and gave them land. Soon, Vishwakarma built Dwarka, the city, in gold. Lord Krishna said to Balram, "This city with a fortified fort surrounded by the ocean will protect my people while we deal with the demons." Then Lord Krishna transported everyone to Dwarka. When they woke up in the morning, they were living in a beautiful city in the middle of the ocean.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.